In this video, we'll be showing you how we troubleshoot our Xfinity Gateway. Most of the time when our Wi-Fi is down and not working, these tips and tricks help us to get back online quickly. The first thing we're going to do are just some basic checks just to ensure that everything is connected properly. The first being the power cord, which is that white one. We make sure it's connected to the gateway and that it is plugged in and that the power strip has the power that it needs. Once we've determined that our Xfinity Gateway does have power, we'll then check the coax cable. We have to make sure that this is finger tight. Now it's important to make sure that this is not over tightened as it can break rather easily. So we'll check, yep, it is good and tight on the gateway, and then we will check also the cable that goes into the wall. With our basic checks now complete, let's go over what the light on the Xfinity router can potentially mean. For example, if it's solid white like you see on the screen here, that means our router is online. If it's a blinking white, that means the router is in the process of connecting. If it's blinking orange, that means that it is updating or that it has a weak signal. And if it's a red light, that means it could be a hardware issue or an Xfinity outage in your area. And then if there is no light to the device, that means that there is no power going to the gateway. Most issues with an Xfinity Gateway can be resolved by performing what is called a hard reboot. So to do that, we're going to locate that power cord and we're going to unplug it from the gateway. Now we will leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds before we put it back in. This is going to allow the device the time it needs to completely reboot. Once those 60 seconds have passed, we'll go ahead and plug our Xfinity Gateway back in. So now that we have power going to the device, it's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes for it to reconnect to Xfinity's network. During this time, it clears the memory and basically forces a reconnection from the gateway to Xfinity's network. All right, so after all that has been done, after those 5 to 10 minutes, we see we do have a solid white light indicating that our gateway is back online and that the Wi-Fi signal should be able to be picked up by our devices at this point. And if these steps didn't work, we're going to open up the Xfinity app to see if there is an outage detected in the area. Now within the app, on the very bottom, there's a button that says Wi-Fi. Upon clicking this button, it's going to show us the details of our Xfinity Gateway. Here it says we are online and that there are no outages found. If there was an outage, there should be a notification on the top telling us that something is wrong. And finally, if nothing we have done has worked, we can click on that troubleshoot button to get in contact with Xfinity customer support. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.